Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about SSB modulation system. So here is the SSB modulation system diagram. But actually, what is SSB modulation system? So mainly there are three methods are commonly used to generate SSB signal, like phase shifting, selective filtering, and the Weber method. Okay. So one is phase shifting, second selective filtering, and next one is Weber method. So none of these modulation methods are precious, and all generally requires all the baseband signal spectrum. Okay. So actually the phase shifting method directly used for the basis of implementation this DSB and phase modulation system. Okay. So which delays the phase of every positive spectrum component by minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Like minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So hence it is the Hilbert transformer. Okay. Note that the ideal Hilbert phase shifter is unrealized. Okay. So next one is the selective filtering method. The commonly used this method generating SSB signal, DSB SC signal, a phase through a sharp cutoff filter to eliminate the undesired sideband. Okay. To obtain the USB, the filter should pass all components above the frequency. And next one is the selective, and the between the phase passband and the stop band. So fortunately the voice signal provides the condition because its spectrum shows the little power component or content at the origin. Okay. So here is the SSB AC modulation system, and here the message signal which is passed through the DSB AC modulation, and after that it's m of t cos omega t with the phase shifting. Okay. And next one is with the phase. After the phase it mixer with DSB AC modulator system, and next one is here the phase is minus pi by 2 which shifted the phase with cos omega ct for that, and here sin omega ct. So next the that's the positive phase shifting, and it will be positive and negative both phase shifting for SSB signal. Okay. So in that case, for every higher carrier frequency FC, the ratio of the gap band, like the ratio of gap band will be 600 Hz to the carrier frequency may be too small, and thus a transition of 40 dB, 40 decibel is amplitude over 60 Hz may be difficult. In such case, a third method is known as Weber method. Okay. I just said three methods. One is phase shifting, and next one is selective filtering, and next one is Weber method. So this Weber method utilizes two stages of SSB amplitude modulation. First, the modulation is carried out by using a smaller carrier frequency. The resulting SSB signal effective widens the gap of 2 FC1. Clear? Now by treating the signal as new baseband, it is possible to achieve SSB modulation a higher carrier frequency. Okay. So that's the SSB modulation system, and its necessary and its types. So thank you everyone, and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.